Hello, good day everyone. Welcome to Mathematics 5, Quarter 4, Week number 4. So, we are now in Quarter 4, Week number 4 of our most essential learning. At the end of the lesson, you should be able to solve routine and non-routine problems involving volume of the cube and rectangular prism in real-life situation using appropriate strategies and tools. So now let's have a drill first, grade 5 pupils. The directions you're going to use the formula to find the volume and then complete the table. So this will be the boxes. We have A, B, C, D, and E. The length, the width, the height, and then you're going to find the volume. You have 1 minute to complete this task. Your timer starts now. So comment down your answer, grade 5 pupils, in our comment section below. So letter A, 3 centimeter, 2 centimeter, and 1 centimeter. What will be the volume? Letter B, 4 meter, 3 meter, and 2 meter. What would be the volume? And then for letter C, we have 3 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 2 centimeter would be the volume. And then letter D, 5 decimeter, 2 decimeter, 3 decimeter, and for letter E, 4 meter, 5 meter, and 4 meter. So if you're done, comment down your answer in the comment section below. You have 10 seconds left. 5 seconds left. Okay, time's up. Let's reveal the answer. In each boxes, for letter A, we have 6 centimeter cubic centimeter. For letter B, box letter B, we have 24 cubic meter. For letter C, we have 30 cubic centimeter. For letter D, we have 30 cubic decimeter. And for letter E is 80 cubic meter. So I hope you got the correct answer. I hope you already master on how to find the volume, the rectangular prism. So going back to our main topic for this day, we're going to solve routine and non-routine problem involving rectangular prism and the cube. So let's have problem number 1. Problem number 1, Francine want to know which box has a greater volume. So this would be the boxes. We have box letter A and box letter B. Let us help her by getting the volume of each box given their edge and length, width, and height. So this would be the box letter A. We have the edge of 6 centimeter. If this edge is the value of the height, so this would be 6, this would be 6 also, and this would be 6 also. So because cube has all sides are equal, then for box letter B, this would be a rectangular prism. So the length is 15 centimeter, width is 4 centimeter, and the height is 3 centimeter. But before that, let's recall the 4 steps of folias in problem solving. We have understand, plan, solve, and look back. In understanding, we're going to know what is asked and what are the given. In the planning, we're going to determine the operation to be used, write the number sentence. In solving, we're going to solve the number sentence and write the complete solution. And in look back, write and state the final answer. So going back to our problem, let's understand this one. So what is asked? Very good. So which box has a greater volume? Is it letter A or B? So what are the given? The given are box A with the given edge of 6 centimeter each edge, and then box letter B has a length of 15 centimeter, width of 4 centimeter, and height of 3 centimeter. And then we're going to plan what operation is needed. multiplication. And then, what is the correct number sentence? For box letter A, since it's a cube, we can get its volume by using the formula. So this would be the number sentence. Volume of cube is side times side times side, or B is equal to S cube. So this would be the number sentence, 6 times 6 times 6 times 6 centimeter. For letter B, since it's a rectangular prism, we can get its volume by using the formula. B is equal to length times width times height. So this will be the number sentence. B is equal to 15 centimeter times 4 centimeter and 3 centimeter. So let's solve. So let's solve first the volume of the box A. So this would be the formula. Substitute it. The value of the edge is 6 times 6 times 6. We have 216 cubic centimeters. So this would be the volume of the box A. And then for box letter B, we have the rectangular prism, 15 times 4 times 3. So the volume is 180 cubic centimeter. So based on the volume of box A and box B, which is greater? Is it box A or box B? So the answer would be box A. So therefore, box A has a greater volume compared to box B. So let's proceed to problem number 2 to further analyze how to solve routine and non-routine problem involving volume of the solid figures. So the closet is 4 feet wide and 6 feet long and 9 feet tall. In the closet, there is a box of old clothes that is 3 feet wide, 4 feet long, and 3 feet tall. How much room is left in the closet? So let's understand first the problem. What is us? Okay, so the space or the room left in the closet, or the space left in the closet. And this would be the visual illustration for this problem. So this would be 6 feet long, 9 feet tall. This would be 9 feet, and then 4 feet wide. And then the other box in the closet, we have 3 feet tall, a 3 feet wide, a 3 feet tall right there, and then 4 feet wide, the 3 feet wide. This should be wide, and then 4 feet long. So what are the given? The given are for the closet, we have 4 feet wide, 6 feet long, and 9 feet tall, while the back for the box, old clothes is 3 feet wide, 4 feet long, and 3 feet tall. So let's plan. The operation is needed is multiplication and subtraction. Then what is the correct number sentence? The correct number sentence, n is equal to volume of the closet minus volume of the box. So this would be the number sentence. 4 times 6 times 9 is the volume of the closet, and then 3 times 4 times 3 is the volume of the box. So let's solve. So 4 times 3 times 9 minus 3 times 4 times 3 is equal to n. So multiply first 4 times 6 and 3 times 4. 4 times 6 is 24 times 9. 3 minus 3 times 4 is 12 times 3 is equal to n. Then multiply 24 times 9. We have 24 times 9. 9 times 4 is 36. Okay, regroup 3. 9 times 2 is 18 plus 3 is 21. So this would be, and then 12 times 3 is 36. So 216 minus 36 is equal to n. So subtract 216 minus 36. 6 minus 6, 0. 1 minus 3 cannot be. We're going to borrow by 1. Uh, 2 becomes 1. And then 1 becomes 11. 11 minus 3 is 8. And bring down 1. So the answer is 180 cubic feet. So this should be the answer. So therefore, 180 cubic feet is the amount of space left in the closet. So for the problem number 3, so this would be a volume. So let's read. If the volume of the cube is 64 cubic centimeter, so this should be already in volume form. What is the measurement of each of its side? So we're going to find the side of the cube. So let's understand what is as the measurement of each side of the cube. So each side of the cube, we're going to find the side of the cube. Then what would be the way given? So the given is 64 cubic centimeter volume of the cube. So this should be the visual illustration. We're going to find the side, and then we're going to plan what operation is needed. It should be multiplication, and then we're going to plan what is the correct number sentence. So this time we're going to use the guess and test. So since the volume of the cube is 64 cubic centimeter and the volume of the cube is solved by multiplying the measurement of the three sides, so this should be the volume or the formula in finding the volume of the cube, or edge multiplied by edge, or side times side times side. Look for the number that can be multiplied by itself 3 times to get the 64. So like guess and test. So in solving, let's use 4. So 4 times 4 times 4 is equal to n. So 4 times 4 is 16 times 4 is equal to 64. So the answer is already given. So 64 centimeters cubic centimeter is correct. So therefore, each side the each therefore each side of the cube measures 4 centimeter. So this would be the answer, 4 centimeter. So I hope you already know how to find the volume of that problem, or the side of the cube. So now a wooden cube, so this would be cube again, has a volume of 1000 cubic centimeter. By how many 8 cubic centimeter cubes can be cut from it? So let's understand first what is as. So the total cubes can be cut from the wooden cubes has a volume of 1000 cubic centimeter. So what are the given? So the given are 1000 cubic centimeter and 8 cubic centimeters. So this would be wrong. So this should be the visual illustration. This should be the volume of the 1000 cubic centimeter. And then this should be the volume of 8 cubic centimeter. By how many 8 cubic centimeter can be cut out from 1000 cubic centimeter? So what operation is needed? So this should be division. So what is the correct number sentence? The correct number sentence is T, for the total number of cubes can be cut out from the 1000 cubic centimeter. So volume the big cube, so this will be 1000, and the volume of the smaller cube is 8. So let's divide this one. So 1000 divided by 8. So 10 divided by 8 is 1. 1 times 8 is 8. Subtract. 10 minus 8 is 2. Bring down 0. 20 divided by 8 is 2. 2 times 8 is 16. Subtract. The answer is 4. Bring down 0. 40 divided by 8. The answer is 5 times 8 is 40. Subtract 0. So therefore, the answer is T is equal to 125 pieces. So therefore, the total cubes can be cut from a wooden cube has a volume of 1000 cubic centimeter was 125 pieces. So let's have some activity time. You have 20 seconds to answer each of the following questions. So for number one, a cube has a rectangular prism which the same measure for the length, width, and height. The cube is 4 inches tall. What is the volume? So this would be the illustration. For letter A, we have 8 square inches. Letter B, 16 cubic inches. Letter C, 64 square inches. And letter D, 64 cubic inches. You have 20 seconds. Your timer starts now. Okay, so the correct answer for number one is letter D, 64 cubic inches. 4 times 4 times 4, 64 inches, not square inches. Next, for number 2, a drawer is 5 feet wide, 4 feet deep, and 2 feet tall. What is the volume of a drawer? Letter A, B, C, and D. You have 20 seconds. Your timer starts now. Comment down your answer in the comment section below, grade 5 pupils. Okay, time's up. Now let's reveal the answer. The answer is 40 cubic feet, not cubic centimeter. Okay, so this should be letter C. For number 3, how much salt is needed to fill a pit that is 10-meter deep, 8-meter wide, and 12-meter long? Is it letter A, B, C, and D? You have 20 seconds. Your timer starts now. Comment down your answer. Time is up. Now let's reveal the answer. For number 3, the answer is letter D. Okay, so make sure your unit of measurement is correct. Then for number 4, the volume of the cube is 729 cubic meter. What is the length of each sides? So this will be letter A, B, C, and D. You have 20 seconds. Your timer starts now. You're going to find the length of each sides of the cube. 10 seconds. Grade 5 pupils. So use the guess and test or trial and error. Okay, time's up. Now let's reveal the answer. Answer is letter A. 9 times 9 times 9 is 729. Then for number 5, an open box is 60 centimeter long, 30 centimeter wide, and 25 centimeter high. Find the volume. Is it letter A, B, C, and D? 20 seconds. Your timer starts now. Try to find the volume of the open box. Comment down your answer, grade 5 pupils, in the comment section below. Okay, so that would be the answer would be letter C, 45,000 cubic centimeter. 60 times 30 times 25 is 45,000. 1000 cubic centimeter. So remember, always follow the steps of 4 steps of Folia's in problem solving. So understand, plan, solve, and look back. So understand, know what is asked and what are the given. In planning, you're going to determine the operation to be used. In solving, you're going to solve the number sentence and write the complete solution. And in look back, you're going to write and state the final answer. So for your home learning task grade 5 pupils, you're going to answer assessment 1 to 5 in your self-learning module. This would be quarter 4, week number 4. So that's all for today. Thank you and see you again next time for our next video lesson.